I'm actually going to put this one, delete the other one.
Yeah, because this one I'm actually doing stuff.
That other one was just practice.
Yeah. It's actually like doing a pattern. Whoa, that worked really.
I tried to do that on card once. I had to vision.
Like, I'm gonna beg my grandma.
Yeah.
I'm not alone. But it's not really, you make a lot of money. Look at that tarp.
This wig is only supposed to be in top.
That's nice.
I mean,
I love when this card.
And then they stop.
I know you're
Oh, I think this is the flag raising over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not going to do anything more with the flag going up.
I'll do a video. Where is the flag raising?
Over there.
I'm trying to find it in my camera. There, I found the flagpole.
Power line.
You know, I could just see that.
All power and hard line.
Yeah. See, I told you they raise it slowly. I told you. You didn't believe me when it was raised. But
I didn't say I didn't believe you.
look, see, when it's that way, they add another flag.
Should I continue on with this video
Or
or
you just want
not?
to stop.
Here.